Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's time for Monster Mash 25 hosted by Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. That's Veronica's channel. Wanted to join in the fun. I'm preparing some goodie bags for my daughter Emmy's friends for Halloween and thought I'd share with you some of the little monsters that I'm making. They're monster hand puppets that I got from Target. It's the Hide and Seek brand. This came with like 20 of them. The rest that I'm not using, I am going to be making for the trick-or-treaters here in our area. So it's really nice and easy to make. It already has the folds and it also has the adhesive. So if you want to join in the fun, I think Veronica was saying we post every Friday in the month of October. Share any Halloween project that you like. The focus is monster. As you can see, it's Monster Mash, but I'm sure any Halloween project is welcome. You can make embellishments, ephemera. In this case, I am making a little monster, and I'm going to create a little hidden paper clip. So it's going to be holding our paper bag close or bag, and we're going to bag just a few of our goodie bags on camera. Trying to see. I forgot to get my tool to pinch the little adhesive cover off. So we'll stick that. And you can see it forming already. So this is really fun, and this is a great activity for kids when it comes to paper crafting, learning how to fold and then put something together. Now our monster needs some teeth, and then we'll give it a nose, and or we should do the teeth last probably. There's another part here because we're going to need that for the eyes, and I need scissors. I am back, got my scissors. So let's start with putting the nose here at the base. I like this teal blue, so I'm going to put that right about there, right at the center. And then we got these eyes. So I did a little bit something different. I added a little element to these puppets, and I'm going to show you the ones that I made so far. We're going to put a little foam tape that the kit came with, and then we're going to attach. So you just put it at the bottom, back of the eye, and then we're going to attach it right above the nose line. And just like that, we got the eyes and the nose, but this guy needs some teeth. So I'm going to put this aside, and we are going to bag a few goodies in our bag. So nice white monster teeth. Oopsie. Rawr. So that's really cute. So I was looking at it and I said, wouldn't that be fun if this monster had some fun hair? And that's what I did. I had some yarn and I added some funky hair. I think the kids will have fun. Yeah, that's really cool. So I have that. So let's bag one up, and then we are going to, and here's one with the orange hair. So let's see. Hold on. Super cute. And then I have a rock star guy. I gave him a little earring, and he has black hair. There's a little earring on the side, and he's gonna rock it out this Halloween. All right, so we're gonna make that into a hidden paper clip, but we'll have that one guy here so you can look at him and our little rock star monster over there. And then we have a little, so there's two bags. I have this paper bag. My pen pal Sandra had given me this cute little ghosty piece. I mean, Emmy can write a note or have something fun there for her friends. And we have this cute candy corn goodie bag that we're going to fill up. Let's start with this guy. And so I'm going to fill it up. Let's see. Kit Kat Pops. Inside, I put a little cardboard to give it some stability. Cookie, Hello Kitty. Popping candy. A little bit of that. We got some gummy, and I think that's heavy enough, but let's give it one Twix. I love these. Okay, that seems filled. And so we have our orange little monster here. And on the back, I created a little hidden paper clip. I'm going to fold this and then clip on a little, just slide it in a little bit there. And then we got our bag ready, and then the kids can play with it. But I thought that would be really fun and cute. I can raise that a little bit so you can see the mouth. There you go. So that's one goodie bag, and then let's try it with this piece. But before I fill this up, we need to make our little hidden paper clip for this guy. And so all you need, and I learned this really fun shortcut technique of making a hidden paperclip through Vera's channel, which is Spilled Coffee Crafts. So check her out. So if you have a strip of paper, I love this fold, super easy. So fold it in half like this, fold to the left and fold to the right. And then when you open it up, so you're going to flip it over, you're going to have two valleys, which are here, in one mountain. So it's valley folds and little mountain. And then get your paper clip, put it on top like this. I have my adhesives ready here, so we're going to take that off. And we are going to stick it. Stick that part there. Do the same on the other side. And then so now the next step is to attach this side to the back of our monster, like so. All right? Okay, so I have my adhesive to the back, and then we're just gonna line it up like this. And we have our paper clip. So let me fill up the bag, and then we are going to put that on. So I have some of this yummy strawberry chocolate. Put the heavier, and then we have more of our Hello Kitty popping candy, a couple of these Ghirardelli pumpkin chocolate. These are really fun Aero chocolates. We got our Twix, some of our mango jelly treats, and then this one's really yummy. It's like a Japanese version of the Oreo, and has some strawberry filling, and it is delicious. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw in one more of our little Sanrio themed cookies. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold this, and we are gonna see if this works. Hopefully, I think it will work better on paper. Let me make sure. Hold on, my adhesive is acting up here. One moment. All right, let's try this again. We got our paper clip. Slip it on there. Yeah, it works better on like more solid paper. But anyway, there's the idea. You got your little monster there. But there's our goodie bag. Let me show you the rest of the crew here. So here's one guy, and I gave him a little bit of the sky blue hair, and I think he likes it. I mean, you can add whatever other style. I also gave one with some of these funky petals. And then we got one with the brown hair. Hi, happy Halloween. So you have that. And then we got this guy. Yeah, he's rocking it out. So, and then we have the plain one. So I'm going to leave it up to Emmy to decide if she wants to keep this plain. This one doesn't have teeth. This one does. And then you can decorate it. So I thought this would be super fun. The kids, I think, will love it. They'll have fun just playing around with these cute little monsters. And there you have it. Our Monster Mash 25 little open collaboration hosted by Veronica from Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. Check out her channel, click on the hashtag and see what everyone else is making. And also check this out. This is from Trader Joe's. It actually lights up. How cool is that? I love it. But I am gonna see you soon. Next time, I'm joining the collaboration hosted by Martha Makes Art and Jennifer from Scrapbooks and Memories. It's the yearly What's in My Boo Bag, so stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.